Florida lawmakers are on track to declare racism a public health crisis. Efforts are also underway to make that happen right here in Cleveland. Our Romney Smith takes us inside the conversation to make the change.
During a 2-hour Zoom meeting, Cleveland City Council members and community leaders discussed what it would mean to pass a resolution to declare racism a public health crisis.
This resolution is an opportunity to evaluate, bring awareness, make change, and most importantly, create accountability.
Resolution co-sponsor Councilman Bashir Jones says the marches were for awareness, and the city now has a responsibility to take action before another Clevelander dies from systemic and institutional racism.
It is killing our sons and daughters. It is killing our elders. It is killing us financially. It is killing us educationally. This legislation has to be more than a piece of paper.
Every leader on the Zoom agreed that it will take a multi-partner public and private effort.
The only way that systemic change is going to happen is when we disrupt all of the practices and the procedures that have been allowed to go on in systems that have kept the inequities in place.
Hoping for a result that will positively impact Black lives, from education to health disparities to job opportunities, housing, and more.
Cleveland must dedicate itself and dedicate its resources to ensuring that all people can benefit from the American dream.
Romney Smith, 3 News.